Hi friends, you're watching our YouTube channel Vcore LC. Today, I'm gonna tell you some useful things about LED TV repair which help us to make our work a bit easier and faster. So, enjoy this video. This is a heating plate made by modification of soldering iron. If we don't have SMD workstation, then also we can remove or paste SMD LED of LED TV strips through this tool. This is black box, especially while installing universal driver board of small size in LED TV, we should make TV interface easy, or if we feel difficulty while fitting cabinet, then this can be fitted outside. Nowadays, mini universal board which is available in market are mainly fitted in this box. This is DC to DC buck converter. Here we can take 1.2 to 5 volt. Preset adjust is not needed to do, just we can select essential voltage from jumper. This can take 3 ampere of load. CA1235 has more accuracy and it is reliable too. This is constant current step-down converter module. If in LED TV with edge backlighting, backlight strips becomes damaged, then also we can use this module. This works on 12 volt. According to the condition, we can use single IC or double IC module. Please be careful that this module is not for voltage boosting. This is CA888 SMPS switching module. This is made by STR, so in low power also it can work easily with voltage stabilization. Here, start BIOS, VCC and photocoupler works with the help of secondaries feedback, so it is more reliable. Due to its small size also, it can be fitted easily. We fitted this first wire in middle of MOSFET. This black wire is fitted in ground. Fifth wire is connected in positive part of capacitor. Now, fourth white wire is connected in optocoupler. Lastly, third wire, which is red in color, is connected in VCC, where from main positive supply 2 high ohms resistor takes through. This is right to left or left to right LVDS converter. We can get rid of this cutting and joining wire problem when this module is available in the market. With the help of this, we can exchange LG board to Samsung panel and Samsung board to LG panel. It means left to right can be easily done. Not only LG and Samsung, left to right and right to left can be done of other brand also. how do you like this video? If you have any confusion, then please mention in comment. If you like this video, then press this thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe.